You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these phrases, as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing vocabulary in French that many get confused by, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. This means I'm hungry in French, even though it literally means I have hunger. We don't really say I'm hungry in French, but rather I have hunger. This is the standard phrase to say I'm hungry. Anyhow, j'ai faim is how it is said, and yeah, that reminds me that I am actually hungry. J'ai faim. J'ai faim is how you say I'm hungry in French. And now you know, more videos for you here to learn more interesting French vocabulary. Like and subscribe if you found this video useful and if you want to learn more French. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.